Hey, I thought you said we would be there by tomorrow.
Clearly, rough is not infallible.
Yeah, like the volcano thing not erupting too.
I mean, you are welcome to get off my raft at any time you like.
Did you see that cloud go by?
Wise decision. Perhaps a devotion while you wait. Number 79. The king was now acknowledged by all the nation. It was time for Samuel to begin saying his goodbye. Look at what he said as he addressed the people he had led practically since his childhood. 1 Samuel 12:1. Samuel said unto all Israel, Behold, I have hearkened unto your voice, and all that ye said unto me, and have made a king over you. Now behold, the king walketh before you. I am old and grey-headed, and behold, my sons are with you. And I have walked before you from my childhood unto this day. Behold, here I am, witness against me before the Lord, and before his anointed. Whose ox have I taken? Or whose ass have I taken? Or whom have I defrauded? Whom have I oppressed? Or whose hand have received any bribe to blind mine eyes therewith? I will restore it to you. They said, Thou hast not defrauded us, nor oppressed us, neither hast thou taken aught of any man's hand. Out of an entire lifetime, not one person was able to rightly accuse Samuel of any wrongdoing. What a testimony! Everyone will have people who do not like them. Many will even have people lie about them. But the goal of every one of us ought to be to live our lives in such an honorable way that, if people are honest, they have to admit that we have done right all the way through. Do be that honorable. The two kinds of people that will always be remembered are the very dishonorable and the very honorable. But only the very honorable will be remembered with fondness.
I like that. Be honorable, rough son.
Arigato, Clea-san. Have a blessed day, folks.